adventure awaits. We'll make memories that won't fade, stopping at places we've never been. On this family road trip, we're living our dream. Family road trip, it's so much fun, with my loved ones under the sun. Family road trip, we're on our way, creating stories every single day. We see the sights from the mountains tall to the beaches wide where we play ball. We share our snacks and take some rest. On this journey, we're truly blessed. As the sun goes down